They're like, do you want to come see us making a dhal puri? It's like, yeah, sure.
Madhvi.
Madhvi.
Yes. This is the dough.
Okay, that's the dhal.
Yeah.
So the dhal gets soaked.
We boil it separately.
Yeah, boil separately.
Yeah. Just hold this for me.
I'll hold that for you. Puts it, stuffs that in the middle, rolls it up. You can tell she's been doing this a long time. It would take me a long time to get that right.
It's been 30 years that my dad is doing this business.
Wow.
I was 8 years at the time.
That's amazing.
So he's no more, then we are continuing the continuing.
That's great. Yes, you got to keep up your dad's business. So there she's taking the dhal that's been boiled separately and then adding it to the dough.
It's pure dal.
This is pure dal, gram flour.
Yeah, gram dal, and this is flour. We add salt.
Okay.
And saffron.
Salt and a bit of saffron, the turmeric. Wow.
Turmeric, yeah.
Okay, wait, and now we so we pop them in there. So that, watch out for the hot. Okay, and then, so now that's got that ball of dal in the middle of it. Amazing. And then she rolls it out. Wow, just like that. And onto the... Okay.
You want to taste one?
One small. I have tasted them before. I've just never seen someone make them.
Here?
Not here.
Just taste it. I'll give you one. I'll offer you one. Just taste it. I'll tell you.
Right, she's proud of her dhal.
Yeah.
Her father was doing this for 30 years and they're carrying on. Okay. Wow, okay, so here she's got the hot grilled on. And look at those things puffed. Aren't they looking gorgeous? She's just done something I haven't seen before. She put like green onions.
There's beans.
Beans.
Potato.
And
kidney beans.
Potato and kidney beans. And then they've got the gorgeous spring onion going
on. This cilantro?
Coriander.
Coriander, yeah, exactly.
Coriander chutney. Oh, wow. Coriander chutney and that gorgeous mix. Oh,
chili?
No chili.
One.
Look at that. Look at that. Proper double dhal puris stuffed.
It is.
Two-handed.
You need two hands to eat it.
That is great.
It really is. I wasn't kidding.
Not floury and stuff. That is what dhal puri is supposed to be. We've finally eaten a proper Mauritian dhal puri. You need to get them fresh at a market.
Yes.
Look at the layers of the dhal that you saw her putting in there. So that original little ball
is in there.
It's now got that dhal layer. Yeah, you guys are drooling.
Yeah.